Hello friends, I am Professor Sonali Pawar from Department of Computer Engineering, TSSM Bhurabai Sawant, College of Engineering, Nare, Pune. Today I am going to speak about the software testing. Let's start with the today's session. So the first word that comes with the software testing is the software. So we just quickly revise what is meant by the program. So program is nothing but the set of the instructions. So every program is designed to perform particular task so that we can execute such a program with the help of the computer. It is called as the software. So we can define the software as a set of the program or the instructions. Those are going to be get executed by a computer, which are going to be get designed to perform a specific or the particular task. Now as we have seen the definition of the software, the software is again divided into the two categories. So the first category is the system software and the another category is the application software. Now we are going to see in detail what is meant by system softwares and the application softwares. So let's start with the system softwares. So system softwares are the softwares that helps the computer to function. The examples of the system softwares are operating system like Windows, Linux, Linux, Mac. These are the examples of the system software. Now we are going to see the application softwares. The application softwares are the softwares which helps the users to perform their task. The examples of the application softwares are spreadsheet, word processor. So these are the examples of the application softwares. So now up till now we have seen what is meant by the software and the categories of the software. Now we are going to move towards the software testing. Now we are going to see the another term, that is software testing. So let's start with what is meant by software testing. So software testing is a process of executing a program or a system with the intention of finding the errors. We can also define software testing as it is the process of verifying that particular program or the system that satisfies its specified requirements or identifying the difference between expected and actual result. So we can also define software testing is a process that used to help us to identify the four things, that is correctness of the particular software, completeness of that particular software, security and the quality. These are the four parameters we need to define while we are going to define the software testing term of any developed computer system. Now with this we are going to move towards what are the different objectives of the software testing. So the main fundamental objective of the software testing is that we have to perform the testing so that to find out the defects as early as possible and get them fixed before the end users or the customers are going to identify those defects at their side. Now the next topic we are going to see is what are the different principles of software testing. So the goal of the software testing is to find out the defects before the customers find them out. This is the main important aspects of the software testing, that we have to identify all the defects, we have to remove that defects from the particular software before we are going to deploy that particular software to our end users. The another principle of the software testing is that as testing is a process that needs to be carried out constantly in the software development life cycle. So we have seen in few of the software development models that the software testing comes after the implementation phase, but we have to carry out the software testing constantly to get the good efforts or the good results of the particular development life cycle. The another principle of the software testing is that testing is mainly focused on the defect prevention activities. The next principle of the software testing is that the tester should always understand the reason behind the testing. When the tester is going to test any module, he should always aware that what is the functionality of that module is intended to work for. He also need to know that what the software is not going to perform with this the functionality of the particular software. So in today's session we have seen what is meant by the software, what are the different categories of the software. Along with this we have seen the different definitions of the software and what is the objective of the software and its principles of the software testing. Thank you.